Welcome to this video tutorial on the SVF filter, for the detection of the writing order, in a stroke crossing. It is important that the images are of high quality. For this, we recommend that the document be scanned with an optical scanner. The images in the video have been digitized at 800 dots per inch, and the file is TIFF type, for better image quality. We have chosen a signature, made with a ballpoint pen, with blue ink, gel type, and non-fluid medium density. First, we enlarge the area we are looking for. Now, we will apply the filter on signature. A new slider has been added, to regulate the SVF filter level. This improves the image, depending on the ink intensity, allowing to better appreciate the ink load, which always shown just in the direction upper stroke, over the stroke's crossing area. If we write the number 8, on the beach sand, we will see a behavior similar to that on paper. It doesn't matter to which direction we write. When the upper stroke crosses the lower stroke, it always generates lateral bumps, like walls, in the same writing direction. This writing pattern, if we check it with a laser confocal microscope on a paper writing, we will see that it is indeed so, and that also the ink flowing along the groove path creates a ink load to same direction that upper stroke. Here are some images of the 3D groove and the 2D ink load generated by the laser confocal microscope software. The writing tool creates a continuous groove on the paper, but when it crosses another stroke and cuts its path, the top stroke's groove creates an ink fluid following its direction. This fact generates the ink load. The new bumps, like walls created by the groove, force the ink to flow to its direction, and this is what the SVF filter visualizes. This ink pattern is a reliable and proven fact to detect the direction of the upper stroke on the stroke's crossing. The SVF filter is useful for blue inks, but for black ink and other colors, however, it is not recommended. It works especially well in ballpoint pens, big type, or similar, with oil-based inks, also water-based gel inks, and medium density. If the ink is too fluid, the SVF filter becomes ineffective and unreliable. Like commonly used ink, in fountain pens, pilot pens, and felt tip pens. On the other hand, we have a scanned image, also at 800 dots per inch, and TIFF graphic format, for the file. The image has a few strokes, written in a numbered order. The ballpoint pen is a big fine point type. The ink is blue with an oil base and medium density, typical of this ballpoint type pen. In this case, since the ink is denser, and therefore less fluid, the filter level must be reduced to a minimum, so that the ink load can be better observed. We see that since the writing tool has a fine tip, the ink intensity also decreases, but in this case, it can be seen perfectly that the patterns visible on the strokes crosses, without a doubt, match strokes directions, previously numbered. Remember that the SVF filter is a reliable tool, if used with the indicated requirements. The requirements are that the ink of the strokes be blue, that the writing tool be ballpoint type, and that the ink density be medium, such as oil-based or water-based gel-type inks. Images digitized with a scanner and resolution between 300 and 800 dots per inch, and if possible, in TIF format. For other writing types, tools and inks, you can try, but there is no guarantee that the filter will display anything reliable.